Hey you guys, before we jump into this video, I want to wish you guys a happy new year, and I hope you guys had a great time with your family, friends, your loved ones, and I hope y'all accomplish every goal that's on y'all checklist, maybe even go beyond those goals and accomplish something bigger and better for yourself this year. But yeah, happy new year from me to you. Have a great one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be correcting this problem. Just go back in with the Creme of Nature, the Argan Oil. I love this stuff and I love Creme of Nature. How rude of me. I didn't even inform y'all what I'm going to do in this video. But I ran across only one I ran across one of her videos and she did like the braids at the roots and then twisted towards the end. So I'm gonna try that. And I have to whisper. I'm tired of whispering in my videos, you know. But I only can do my videos when my little child wants to go to sleep. So just gonna wet this section to see if I could, not too much, but just a little bit, to see if I could reactivate the product that's in my hair from my failed flat twist out. And it's not much slip. I can feel it's not really there, so I'm gonna have to reapply. But first I'm gonna go in with my, you already know, I still don't know what to call this. I'm gonna just call it a moisturizing cream. Then I'm gonna go in with my little argan oil twisting cream, just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna start this off with the braid. Okay, and about mid-length, I'm gonna turn it into a twist out. I'm gonna continue. You guys are welcome to watch. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do the same steps over my head. Wet my hair with water just a little bit, then add my moisturizing cream, and then go in with the Creme of Nature twisting cream. And go ahead and start off with the braid and then twist once I get towards the middle. gonna do the rest off camera and come back and show you guys how the completed, not the completed look, but the semi-completed look. I will see you guys in a few minutes, okay? Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. Wait a minute, okay. I'm so hopeful for this hairstyle because the Creme Nature twisting cream was moisturizing. But those two combos, it's about to do something, okay? I got high hopes for tomorrow when I take this out. I hope they're just up there. Yeah, but instead of putting my bonnet on like right now, I'm gonna wait till it dries at least halfway and then put the bonnet on, because I've realized when I put my bonnet on right away, that's when my hair start to do stupid stuff like it got a broken leg or something. My leg! My leg! My leg! So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys, it's the next morning and I'm just gonna take my oil and apply that to my hands so I won't cause that much friction, and I'm gonna take these down. Be mindful when you take these down, when you get to the braid part, make sure you take your time with those, because I think on the third one I showed you guys when I messed up, it was frizzy because I ran my fingers through accidentally. Ooh, ooh, okay. Y'all. I wish y'all could feel my hair. Like, that DIY stuff really be moisturizing my hair. Like, look how healthy my hair strands look. Oh, it's so shiny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, so this might be the new normal for me. I might be doing this instead of a regular twist out or a regular braid out, because like, did y'all not see how healthy my hair looks since I've been using my DIY moisturizer? Kind of messed that one up, but it's okay. A little frizz is okay. Next time I'm gonna do 3-strand twist, because it'll kind of make sense since it's already 3 strands that exist after the braid out. Okay, so here's my hair without me fluffing it or separating it. So alrighty, now it's time for me to separate. Hey you guys, my hair is finally styled and fluffed and separated, and this is the finished look. I may do a video on how I usually style my hair, which is this way is my go-to, as you guys can see that I always wear it. But yeah, this is the finished look. I almost forgot to do an outro, but thank you guys for coming back to my channel and looking at this video. You know, let me know if you guys like it, because I do, so I don't care if y'all don't anyway. But you know, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because it turned out bomb. Okay, it turned out, just look at the definition. But yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment in the comment section, because you gotta try this.